Stinky. So stinky, my mother in Korea called me and said, what is that smell?
I'm surprised you're upset by man's smell. Most women like you enjoy it. Your English is terrible.
My English is as terrible than your terrible English.
Excuse me, regular-sized people. I am on break until he apologizes.
I like your shirt.
That little man disrespects me. He insults my food, my English, my hygiene.
Is there anything I can do to cheer you up?
A hug would help.
If I hug you, will you go back to work?
Yes.
2-second hug, I'm going in. Aww. How did you do that? Your hands never left my back.
I am like David Blaine of zippers.
I was trying to cheer you up.
You did.